After installing the ClipMyDeals coupon theme, the next step is setting it up. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to configure the ClipMyDeals theme. Just click on ClipMyDeals and click on Quick Setup. The first option is number of coupons on single row. Do you prefer a list format with one coupon per row, or perhaps a grid layout with multiple coupons per row? This option lets you control how your coupons lay out on your website. You have 4 options to choose from. You can either select list 1 per row, grid 2 per row, grid 3 per row, or grid 4 per row. Let's select list 1 per row for now. Now, let us select the welcome type for your website. You have 5 options to choose from. None, banner, video, slides, and multi-slides. For multi-slides, you can show 2 slides per row or 3 slides per row. The most popular option amongst these is the slides option. So, let's select slide option here. Next option is the preset styles. This will help you customize the color schemes of your website. You can choose any of the below preset styles and the same will be reflected on your website. Let's try out a couple of these. Let's try ocean and click on submit. Now, go to your website and click refresh. Cool, right? Let's try another one. This time let's go with tomato. Again, go to your website and click refresh. See how easy it is to customize the look of your website. If you wish to classify your coupons on the basis of location, click on location taxonomy from here. Let's see how location taxonomy works. Let's go to one of our demo websites. See this coupon? It has a location tag. Let's click on it. Here you can see all the offers available in Singapore. Lastly, you can choose to import our demo data for your website. This will greatly reduce your efforts for setting up your website manually. Select this and click on Submit. Now let's see how our website looks. Voila! The setup process for your ClipMyDeals theme couldn't be simpler. Just follow our step-by-step guide, and you'll have your website up and running in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for additional tutorials.